just today there was a release series in a wrecking yard. I went and picked it up and I found orange strut tower brace. Alright, here's the strut tower brace I picked up from that release series, Hot Lava Orange. And first I'll clean this thing up, just wipe it down real quick. And you only have to bolt it to these two. Now when you go, see how there's very little clearance here, when you go to put this bracket over that, you'll find that you actually cannot get this nut up and off of there. You'll have to loosen up this back one just to drop the entire strut assembly down a little bit. Then get your bracket over, this guy, and the nut will go down. Get them on a little bit, a few threads, then just tighten up the back one. Make sure all three are tight. Do that to both sides and you're done. It's pretty simple. And in case it wasn't clear, the front suspension will have to be hanging. So you can't do this with the wheels on the ground. You have to actually raise it off the ground a little bit. Then when you loosen it up, the front suspension will drop down a little bit, and then you can put this thing on. You can't even get that off without lowering the whole strut. So a little bit. Now we'll back this out about halfway. That'll keep the strut in place, but give us the clearance to get that off, get the strut tower brace over, and this part back on, tighten them all up. So I brought it up a little bit, and then you're just going to kick the wheel, it'll drop down. Maybe. Not quite. There we go. Oh, interesting. It goes down, it comes right back up. Well, in the wrecking yard, I didn't do this. Okay. I guess we'll have to get the other side off first so that these can go on together. Alright, one side is on. Now these cutouts here are notched like that, both of them. That actually helps a lot because then you can have a little bit of give left and right to kind of get these positioned, and you don't have to have the other one exactly on there at the same time. So get this one all set up, leave it loose, and then do the other side and tighten all three on each side. Alright, I decided to take these rings out. The threads, with this end, the threads didn't really have much they were gripping onto. This looks a lot better. It's closer to stock, at least for these two. The one in the back is lower. I think it'll be fine. So they're both end. I'm going to actually put the car on the ground, roll it forward and back to get the tires centered correctly, and then I'm going to tighten it down. And that'll be it. Alright, all done. I cleaned the engine bay out a bit. It's all wet still. But everything's tightened down and good to go.
A Toyota in a pagoda.
Inch and a half, usual. The back has slightly more clearance.